Alright, so this is my home office. I just started trying to clean it up today. Been working on so many projects that the place has been a mess. But we got the server rack here, two NASs, firewall, 10 gigabit Ethernet, we got fiber optic, all that good stuff. This huge, over 20,000 watt hours of battery capacity and two solar chargers. My dashboard, emergency inverter, and four outputs. This powers different things in the house. Right here is the server rack UPS, aka it's got solar coming from here. My computer has got one. Outside, my wife is watching TV in the movie theater room right now. It's got a hookup, so those three things are from here. And then this one is a fourth one, which is like a wild card for the battery charger or to just randomly charge something. Kind of my audio setup. It looks like a rat's nest, but stuff for like playing instruments. This is my DI box for my bass guitar. I got some 1,000 watt amps there that run these bass cabs. My new SVS subwoofer to go with my new KEF LS50 Metas, and I got mono amps on those. The monitors, we got the 49-inch and the 57-inch Samsung G9s, the Neo G9s. The 57-inch Neo G9 is by far the best monitor out there, in my opinion. It's the first monitor that I was able to get rid of triple monitors, since I have been using triple monitors for over 20 years. So that's a big, big thing for me to get rid of triples. And I always keep one over the top for heads-up displays. Like right now, I've got the video card power monitoring and the L-Connect monitoring. That way when you're doing full screen stuff on the bottom, you can still see all your dashboards at the top. And I work from home as an IT person, so trust me, having extra window space is great. My webcam is a Canon M50. Keyboard, this is a Keychron Q3 frame, and I put my own switches in it and my own keycaps on it. I actually hand built every single switch. My new clock that I think is pretty cool, especially if you play reverse 1999. My MIDI controller that shows all my volume control and all that stuff for my computer. My Stream Deck for just a bunch of automations and shortcuts. Two MIDI controllers over here. I use both of these for photo and video editing. It's just a much faster way to do that kind of stuff. Lots of I/O, USB devices there, USB devices there, multiple card readers, and then just, lighting and stuff to make it feel like home. I put smart lights into the ceiling, so these are all voice controlled and they're RGB. So everything in this house is RGB. Every single room, bedroom, hallway, dining room, kitchen, you name it, everything is RGB in the entire house. And most of it is stuff I built myself DIY, but these cooler things like that and those are Gobi lights. And I don't know, last thing, I've been working all day on actually the room across the hall from my office. This was going to be my little YouTube studio, but I just have too much gear and it wasn't a big enough room. So today I just made it storage. So like charge everything here, photo gear there, photo gear there. This is my old computer. This is the RTX 4090 and the 7950 X3D. That's my old computer, basically a clone of the new one. It's just everything's like one step behind. And some keyboards that I haven't covered yet. I wanted to do some reviews on these. Ironically, when I posted the build for the new computer, I had the new. It just came in the mail, so it was on the table. The newest, most exclusively high-end keyboard you can get. The LemonKey L5H 8K, like legit best keyboard out there right now. It's the Wooting destroyer. And I had like 5 different people be like, you have all these nice things and you couldn't afford a good keyboard? It goes to show people will literally talk out loud like they know something when they have no idea what they're talking about. I have 2 full boxes. I mean, like legitimately moving boxes, like that would fill up one of these shelves full of mechanical keyboard stuff because I build my own keyboards And in this room, I have the only low-profile magnetic switch keyboard. This is the Keychron Q1HE, all metal, weighs like 5 pounds. Here's the Wooting 80HE, also weighs like 10 pounds because it's all metal. And then there's the LemonKey, which is also partnered by Keychron, the one that everyone said, oh my god, cheap keyboard. So I just thought that's ironic. And this is the mouse that was pictured because it came with that keyboard. But this is actually, even though it looks like a basic mouse, it has an 8K polling rate and a 32,000 sensor. So like this is actually high-end gaming mouse quality with the hardware. So don't judge things by the cover, people. But anyways, that's kind of my setup for now. I guess I'll cover some other projects and stuff. Definitely the solar stuff I know people want to see. And I just wanted to share this video as an update with the pictures I'm about to share on Facebook. So hope everyone found the update useful. Later.